With tens of thousands of devices and applications to manage globally, supporting an exponential number of associated monitoring metrics is a mammoth task. This huge volume of devices and applications can mean millions of metrics, making it hard to see the forest for the trees. Our focus should be drawn to the key areas of incoming risk, so we need to manage by exception. With multiple monitoring tools across different infrastructure types and teams, we also need a way to ensure our action plan is consistent across the organization. We need to be proactive, too. I mean, how many days do we actually have until all those servers run out of disk space? We need to predict future behavior based on past behavior so we know what's coming. Relying on static thresholds that are constantly being breached is not enough. Static threshold events create so much noise that most events are ignored, including the critical events. So how do I know which events to ignore and which events are critical? There's just too much data, too many metrics, too many events, and not enough people. We're always being asked to do more with less, while at the same time are expected to increase availability and improve performance. We need to get smarter, and we need to do it yesterday. We can't rely on the individual teams to solve this problem alone. We need to look at this holistically and put in place a solution that supports all systems across the entire business. We need one platform that provides capacity management alongside business-related metrics. We don't want to start from scratch, so we need to leverage our investment in existing monitoring tools. We need to pull data from these tools into one place and convert it into one common format. We need to map these metrics from the different tools to the business systems so we know which metrics are supporting which systems, allowing us to prioritize our decision-making process. eMite enables us to aggregate data from a wide range of existing monitoring tools using out-of-the-box adapters. These adapters automatically transform the data into a common format. It allows any metric to be associated directly to business systems, so you can visualize the impact a metric is causing when it alerts. The genuine value of aggregating our monitoring data in one place is truly realized once applied to the eMite analysis cube. For example, the cube applies advanced mathematical algorithms to predict future metrics' behavior based on correlated historical trends. In addition, it also pre-calculates other important measures for a myriad of other points of view on the data. Real-time and predicted values are positioned alongside each other in the eMite radar and include the ability to sort or filter the results. You can also drill through to any metric to find more information on the selected metric's homepage. This homepage shows key information about the selected metric, including everything shown on the eMite radar and more. Editable threshold, status, metric information, and the ability to predefine an alert response plan are some examples of what you can expect to see. In addition, actual versus predicted values are plotted together on a chart to show recent and predicted behavior. We are now in a position to truly manage capacity effectively. We not only know what the value is now, but what it is usually. From that, we can also see how much the value is changing over time and when we will run out of capacity. In the past, we had many disparate and reactive monitoring tools, and now we have one proactive tool aggregating them all. I can now budget for future growth, head off issues before they occur, reduce incidents, and easily provide capacity reports across my entire fleet. As a value add, I can also plug my eMite warehouse data into eMite's what-if modeling capability. This allows us to simulate growth and examine the impact this will have on our operational environment. The eMite Capacity Radar is allowing the largest organizations in the world to the smallest organizations in the world to truly manage capacity effectively without the need for a team of rocket scientists.